So now let's see how we can add in text on top with background blur inside of Filmora. So for that, I'm going to bring in this video clip right here and then match it to media. So I have this right here. So now in order to add in a background blur, I'm going to go around into, let's say effects, and over here, I'm going to go to included and search for square blur. Once I do that, I have the square blur effect right here. So what I want is, as I play along, I actually want a text on top of it. And I want the text to appear and the background to be a bit darker. So for that, I'm going to go to title and bring in a text right here, keep it on top of it and resize it out. So now I'm going to double click on this and go to advanced. And once I do that, you can see that I have the text. I'm simply going to delete this and add in a shape right here. So I'm just going to go around and then resize the shape entirely, and I'm going to just make it a bit more larger than the area that we have right here to make sure everything is covered up. So now I can just center align it right here, and this is going to be the example text. So you can type in anything you want right here. So now I'm going to click on this, scroll down over here on the customize section, and then in the shape fill, I'm going to choose black and decrease the opacity just like this, and I'm going to press OK. So once you do that, you can see that this is what I have. And now if I were to press the space bar, you can see that this actually appears just like this. You got the text and then you got the background. But I want to make it a bit more smoother on entry. So I'm just going to go around, right click and group the clips together. And then I'm going to go to transition, and over here on the basic, I'm just going to add in dissolve in the beginning just like this and at the end. So once I do that, now if I were to press play, you can see that it slowly comes in just like that and slowly fades out. So that is how you can add in text with background blur and darken inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.